and none of them felt like jury like student films at all. They were all very professionally made, and it was amazing to see what students across the globe are thinking about this theme, about how they write, how they the stories and the characterizations. In fact, a lot of them were technically pretty top notch. Their grading and their sound design was also so well done that you can hardly believe that they were not professionally made studio backed films, they were just student films. So I think the biggest challenge was to actually select any one of them. I don't think as a jury I want anyone to win. Of course, I mean, we had to evaluate, and there is one film or two films that will win or get a honorary mention or whatever, but that's only to encourage them to tell more stories. I think making films itself is a huge win. For them being selected at a prestigious festival like Kashish is a huge win. Anything on top of that is just cherry on top.
Yeah. While judging the films, what was the criteria that you kept in mind that has to be there?
Right. Well, I don't know if I can talk about the details because that must be confidential with the festival. But of course, it's evaluated in basis of story, technicalities, performances, etc. But mostly individually, I think what I feel is how does the film make me feel? Because I think cities, music, people, cinema, it makes you feel something. It makes you feel something about yourself.
Yes.
And it evokes a certain thought. It provokes a thought inside you. And when I say provoke, I don't mean an aggressive provocation. I mean it makes you think about something. So the film that made me think about the most, it made the most relevant sense. It made me feel something. I think that's what I was looking for.
That was it. And now many movies are coming, even the big budget movies are coming, but those are like not at the box office, they are just. So what about today's audience have changed, their taste have changed, and content cinema is coming more, it's evolving. What are your thoughts on that?
I mean, yeah, there should be. I don't know about, I don't know if I want to divide it into commercial big budget films or content films. I think there are good films and bad films, irrespective of the money involved in a cinema. It could be a really independent film that is badly made and a big budget film that's very well made, or a big budget film that is not so very well made and a small independent project that is really really well made. So I don't think it's got anything to do with the backing in the movie and the money, but I think it's end of the day good film and a bad film. So as long as producers recognize that, writers write that, filmmakers make that, and audience accept that. I think audience is king, has been, will be. So I think we cater to the audience, and whatever they make and whatever they want to watch, they watch. You can't impose it on them.
So how did you feel when you were selected as the jury member?
I felt very happy. I was feeling very, very excited. I feel like Alice in Wonderland right now. It's my first time as a jury member. It's my maiden. I feel very responsible.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking with us.